Introducing a new app called Secondhand Buyer. This app is designed for merchants that deal with the secondhand industry, used merchandise, and the scenario where a customer walks through the door and has an ability to sell something to the store that they're walked into. And then whatever they're selling makes it back on the shelves for somebody to come and buy. So if this is the scenario, if this is the business you're in, and you're considering Clover, now it's an amazing option because we have this app. It's called Secondhand Buyer. And what the app does is it enables merchants to process the payout and also the intake the item information into the register for sale in the future at the same time. And then there's reports. To get started, we're asking, is this a new item or it's an item that already exists in the inventory? So let's say that this is a new item, because if it didn't, all it would do is just basically pull up the inventory and ask you to select an item that we're working with. But let's say that this is a new item, so we're going to fill out some information here. So we have the name, Prada shoes, say size 7, why not? Right, so retail price, that's how much you're selling this item for. Let's say it's $140, right? And we're keeping it as a fixed price. And then the buying cost, that's how much you're paying for this item. And let's say you're paying $80, okay? And how much of it? So you obviously don't have any of it in stock. If you did, it would tell you what your current quantity is. But let's say that you're just buying one pair. If you want to give it a product code, you can scan that in. If you want to give it a SKU, you could also do that. These are additional user fields that can be utilized to modify this form further to make it more relevant for your business. But let's say that you filled everything out and now you're doing a payout. And so the purchase has been completed, and if you had the cash drawer and it would open, and it would assume that you've taken the $80 from it and given to your customer. And the transaction gets recorded here in the reports. It also gets recorded in the cash log right there under adjustment. It also gets reported under the reporting app on Clover at the very bottom. It'll show up under cash adjustments, the employee name and the reason, Prada shoes, and the amount is there. And if we go into the inventory now, Prada, so here's our Prada shoes item that we have created. And you can see that the quantity has made it, alternate name, both names, price, and item cost has made it. So that's the app, Secondhand Buyer, available on Clover. Thank you.